Okay, we're going live. I told you we will crash, but let's get some viewers in the chat before we start the discussion. I warned you a few hours ago. I'm trying to warn you multiple times. If you manage to take profit, it's a bit too late now. We're waiting for the dip to buy in again. And McDonald's is also an option if you're making fun with the FUD jokes. Let's get like 10-20 people in the chat and we start discussing, because there's a lot of things we need to discuss, guys. Because a lot of you kept saying FUD, 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 you're spreading FUD. I warned you a few times. Made 2 videos on that. If you are just joining in, just say hi in the chat. Let's get more people involved. There's very interesting things that we'll discuss right now. We basically called it perfectly. From the top, if you were watching the other streams, you could have sold at the top and you wouldn't be worried at all right now. We need a few more viewers for the algorithm to send out notifications. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. If you're in the chat, hey, we have 2 viewers right now. Normally, if YouTube sends out notifications, we should be 20 or 30 pretty fast. Sometimes they take a little while. But I guess we can start the discussion. Say hi again if you are in the chat. We have a dip, and I told you guys we'll have a dip. I made a video on it right here. Check this out. Right here. What did I say? I said
information. Shibaswap.
I said we'll crash, and I said it here. Basically, I said here we'll crash. We're crashing. This is what I said, didn't I? But look what happened. A lot of people said, FUD, FUD, FUD. You know what? After that, right after I said that, we had a dip. I said, right here, we're crashing. Exactly here. Look at the video again. Right here. I said, we're crashing. And look at the comments. FUD, FUD, FUD. Not everyone. A lot of you guys were super supportive. What language are you speaking? The language truth. No. English. How about you? This video is a failure. This one's what someone said, and I'm spreading FUD. I'm gonna miss out on great opportunities. But you know what? I sold at the top, basically sold the 950 area right here, or 940 yesterday, because I also warned you yesterday. I just want to show you that I warned you 3 hours ago. I said, guys, we're having a massive dip. Let me just show you here. I said, guys, here we'll dip. Pretty much. We were at 6 grand. Then we were at 6.5.
Day by day will touch price 0 coin. If you dump here, that's not too bad. I think you're looking out maybe 5.
Look at here. I'm saying, guys, major dip here. This is what I said. Here I called it. I said, guys, we're having a major dip. And I basically said it. When I said it, Bitcoin was exactly here. It was right at the top. If you listened to me, you would have sold on top. This is 24 hours ago. Here I said, guys, we'll dump. We'll have a big crash. And but I know you start spamming the chat. So open up another stream in an hour when we crash. And who would have thought 1 hour later we're crashing? People taking profits, and everything goes down. I think we need a few more people. Though, let me know if you have any questions. But pretty much called everything perfectly. If you managed to take profits, okay. If you didn't listen to me, you can listen to me next time, I guess. I also have some longs on the community account because I'm trading live for you. Started with 5K last week on this account. It's at 6.4 right now because the cryptocurrency I have are dumping. 6.7 was the peak. I'm giving away everything I know for free, all the information, all the signals for free. But I basically called it out. We'll have a dip, and this is what happened. And it's not because of information. It was just people going out. Oh, there's something new. Jeremy Allaire on broad USDC expansion. There's actually some news, okay, but that's nothing huge. Maybe you can go over that as well. Bitcoin set for record second quarter price drop. Bitcoin's second quarter decline looks like a technical pullback, one observer said. Actually, JP Morgan thinks it's going to capitulation. I don't think that's true. Why is it selling off so dramatically? Vinny, that's a good question. I made a whole video on it so you could take your profits before. It's basically selling off so dramatically, Shiba Inu, because the AMA was a flop. That happened here. AMA was a flop right here. So we had, we instantly had a sell-off after the AMA. And also, it reached the top that we had when we had the announcement for the Coinbase listing, which didn't really happen. And we're waiting for too many things right now. So people are just taking profits right now, as always. So it's going to be interesting. But I basically said we're going to drop really quickly and I'll make a video at 826. I started to record a little bit sooner. Maybe you have some time I think it's too late to sell. I think you should be waiting to buy the dip soon. I think we'll dip a lot on Shiba Inu. Not a lot, even if we just dip 10%, you can buy back and have 10% more volume. But again, for the new people, I coded. I warned you. 2 hours ago, Shiba Inu Coin news today crash is coming. And I said it here, before this crash. 10% before right now. So you could have gotten a better position if you listen. Then I warned you again for BTC crash. Before this crash, I told you guys, BTC is crashing. I said the AMA was a fail. I warned you about the crash at the peak, at the exact peak. Look at that. I'm saying, look at what I'm saying. Can you hear me? By the way, let me know in the chat. Can you hear her? Can you hear her?
Let's start with Spark. I didn't check, but...
And some people are listening to me. Can you see the chat here? It says, I dumped Shiba. I dumped BTC. People are listening to me.
Or Ripple.
Here. And it's good. Some people listen, managed to get out. At the top. It's leads down also. I've been waiting for a dip to buy it. I'll check, Vinny. Check this out. Look at this. I just realized it. I just realized it.
One sec, let me just...
Or no.
This will help my portfolio, Shiba Inu portfolio, but at the same time, there's some logic behind it because they dump last time happened.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. We'll have a dump.
Here, but
there's logic behind the dump.
The AMA... 28K.
And I said, guys, we're dumping. See in 2 hours when we dump. Look at this. Right here, I'm saying, guys, it will dump. See in 2 hours.
There's a lot of support there. It's pretty much...
and everyone's saying everything is go, go, go. No what? Did you already speak about Doge? Okay, that's good. But I told you guys. And if you managed to listen back in the time, back then, 23 hours ago, you could have sold at the top. Then, literally a few seconds later, we did this stream. I'm just telling you all of this so you remember to open up the streams and watch the videos next time. Code it here, stream it 23 hours ago, 20 hours ago, so 2 or 3 hours later, we're already dumping. And I said, guys, I told you so. And everyone is in the chat now, because I was right. And Nika, if I sold Leash at 4 yesterday, but I bought it at a couple of weeks ago, do you think I will have been able to buy Leash at the same price again or something close to it? That's a good question, Anika. I think you can... at the same time, you mean 1,600? Is that what you mean? But I think we'll have a dip. Maybe you can wait a few hours and see how the market is going and then rebuy it if you managed to sell yesterday some Leash. I haven't looked too much into Leash, and I just want to be honest. By the way, this video is not financial advice. like and subscribe if you're new. If you are, and just like, I would really appreciate it. 15 viewers. Can we get some more likes? We only have 1 like. This is why we have 15 viewers. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm not sure if it would drop that much because shibaswap is just around the corner. But you can definitely get it at a discount if you managed to sell yesterday. I don't want to be right. Look, I don't want to be right, but it is happening. We did. I told you guys this will be an issue. We will dip from here. It just looked like it dropped so much. The way the price action was happening, the volume was moving. Told you guys we'll have a crash, and it immediately crashed after that. We managed to take a few short positions on ADA as well. Yesterday, if you're wondering what I am at right now, again, we started the day with 6,250 bucks. We were at 6.7 grand at one point. I have some long positions I didn't manage to close yet. We're up only 200 bucks for the day. We were up like 450. Spot trading for the most part, shorting with margin without using any leverage, just using margin to to be able to short on Binance. This is how you do it. If you want to sign up for Binance, use my link in the description down below. By the way, we have one new like. Thanks, guys. And I'm also sponsored by Bybit. So you can also use Bybit to trade crypto. This is my community account. I'll show you my spot positions on it. This is basically an account that I day trade with and show you all the trades. We have RSR and REEF. They're crashing though, just like anything else right now. Let me know if you want me to check specific cryptocurrencies. I will. And I can tell you my opinion on them. But I'm happy that we can grow the portfolio despite the market conditions. We can grow even in a bear market without any issues because we're longing, we're shorting, we're doing puts and calls, and I'm not worried. Yes, I do have a lot of cryptocurrencies I'm holding in another account. I'm looking into rebuying more Shiba. Too late to sell. Casey, yeah, I wouldn't sell here. Casey, look, again, I don't know if you managed to see what I said, but I pretty much called the crash 23 hours ago and then I warned you 3 hours ago. Definitely subscribe with notifications on, so next time you can, catch the tops. Are you on a particular schedule for these feeds? I try to have a stream every day at around this time. Michael, is that good for you? I don't know. Do you guys... I want to be on when it's okay for you. It's 4:36 p.m. for me. I know it's 9:10 a.m. for a lot of you guys. The videos come out like throughout the whole day. I try to upload. Like today, we had 4 videos plus a stream. This is the 5th video, basically. I want to buy more SHIB. How do I know where is the lowest price? We'll probably make a stream on it, Anika. DOGECOIN with the developments. I have no opinion on DOGECOIN, Mike. I can check the technical analysis right now if you want. Just let me know the website or the chart and I'll click the link and analyze it for you guys. This is perfect for me, actually. Well, I'm over here in New York City, 10 a.m., right? 10:37 a.m. for you then, Michael. Yeah, this is my idea. I want to stream around 9, 10, 11 a.m. New York time, because I know most of you guys are online now. It's good to have, just to understand. The issue is that I uploaded this video when you were asleep, but this is when it happened. You could see the Shiba Inu crash. We were at this point right here. When I uploaded this video, said we're gonna crash like right now. I'm saying like right now. Look at this. I said big Shiba Inu crash coming today. Proof. We were here. It was before this dip. I said we're crashing. And it was against all logic. Everyone said in the chat, said this video is a failure. What language are you speaking? You can't even speak some other things. I was supported already. Share my videos, many. Well, thanks, man. McAfee Ghost Coin. Oh, okay. Checking it right now. John McAfee. Ghost token. Okay, on Hotbit. That's good. TradeOrch. By the way, TradeOrch actually have a lot of tokens. And I haven't signed up for them yet. From a lot of altcoins just use pancakeswap. Creates Ghost Coin. Oh. Yep. So it should be this one, right? Michael, can you Mike, can you let me know if that's the right one, and I will analyze it. Some people are so uneducated, please forgive them. They come with territory. Yeah, look, I know that some of the things I'm saying are controversial, but I don't want to hype you up to things that are not here. Like, obviously, I do clickbait, right? It's my job. Like, if you read the newspapers, like, you know, journalism, clickbaits. Yes, that's true. We over-exaggerate stuff. But look at this. Can you compare the bye-bye Doge? Oh, I want to see this, by the way. Just when you type in Shiba Inu right now, look at the news for the day. Like, Shiba Inu, this changes everything. It's all good. We're going to the moon, baby. AMA reaction, changing forever. 9,985% X. What is this? This is a scam. It's not gonna go up 10,000%. I mean, what are you thinking? It will be the market cap like times the world economy. This is big, urgent warning. And then you click on it, 1 cent. Never again, don't miss. And then you go on it, and you go on my channel, and I'm saying we'll have a crash, and you guys are like, no, FUD, there's FUD. This is FUD, crash, stop saying that. And I only get 450 views. You know why? Because I don't spread lies. People don't like truth. Truth is like poetry. Nobody likes poetry. Look at Roberto Caro. I'll show his comment. He says, F me, basically. I remember you saying that, and I looked at my leash and it had dropped significantly, and ship dropped at the same time. View bait. Michael, some people are so uneducated. Yeah. Hey, dummy, he didn't just kill him. Oh. Yeah, because he reached Poland. Didn't want to do this. Time for tax evasion. Do your research. Yeah, blockchain J, but he was also part of the community. I will miss him, John McAfee, because he was also part of the community, you know. He was for tax evasion. He was in Spain. Pretty much the story was he was in Spain for tax evasion. No one even knows if someone killed him or he killed himself, by the way. I believe it's Ghost. Yes, I don't have the... Okay, I'll check it out right now, Mike. Oh, I saw negative. Maybe it's 1 cent above 4 year, but it's not gonna crash. Look, it's not about being negative or positive. It's about being realistic and selling at the top. Look at this. 23 hours ago, I'll say it again. 23 hours ago, I said we're getting a dip. I said it here. 23 hours ago, we could have sold Shiba at 20% higher than you're gonna sell it right now. That's the truth. And that's why I'm mad. You're making me mad. You could have sold when I told you to sell. Here, BTC was exactly at the top. Look at this.
Hi, Robert. How's it going? Look, the AMA is not the major news we're with.
Look, I said it's not the major news, the AMA.
And C64 viewers, yep.
Look, it's crashing. And 2 hours later, I opened up the stream again. And look what happens. I called the crash at the top. Look, I said, look at this. Starting the stream yesterday, that's yesterday's stream, 21 hours ago. You could have sold it at the top.
I just had to turn the stream on right now, closing down the shorts, and I warned every single one of you.
I warned you guys. Look, I warned you. And I warned you 3 hours ago. I warned you before dips. And then people go on to YouTube and type in Shiba Inu and click on a video just like this. Why? That guy is wrong. He hasn't done the research. Okay, I almost sold as soon as the AMA started. Whoa, after but went ahead and held. Good call, I agree. Yes, ignore them. I like your accent. Thank you, Anika. A lot of people are bugging me for it. You obviously know what you're talking about. I'm watching you and I'm lost. I'm going to have to follow you on my laptop. Look, we're all random dudes and girls. We're all random people. We're not hedge funds. We're not, you know, someone with 5 degrees or something. We're just learning together. So there's a lot of things that I need to learn. There's a lot of things that you need to learn, but we'll learn together. This is the idea. And we're learning from the mistakes. Maybe you didn't manage to sell the top. Maybe I could be wrong, right? I was right now. Paper hands. Look at this, Mark. No way. Someone Michael, you just gave me $3. This is the first donation I've had in my life. No way. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks so much, Michael. Would you SMD? Look at this. People are just, you know, fudding. Saying that I'm fudding you. And literally called the top. And I might be wrong sometimes. I might be wrong. This is true. This will happen. I will be wrong. But this is why we're learning together. And I'm the only one that said we're getting a crash. And I kept warning you since yesterday. Until SHIB gets listed, SHIB is a teenager. Look, George, I agree with you. But also, this is the other thing that whales want you to believe. They want you to believe that the Coinbase listing is the thing that will just moon Shiba Inu. The way this works is, and I've learned through it through trial and error. So you buy the rumor, sell the news. What happens is people keep pumping when there's the anticipation for something, but when it happens, they dump. And you know what proves it? It's the SNL Live. Do you remember what happened to Doge? Before the SNL Live, before Elon Musk had to go up, okay, this is the futures contract, Doge USDT, right? Before the SNL, with the anticipation of the SNL, everyone was like, we'll get Doge to the moon, right? During the SNL. But what happened was, that's what whales wanted you to believe. So what happened was, it went from a dip, from whales taking profits right here and people panicking right here, from 54 cents to 70 cents. And during the SNL, this is what happened. I think the SNL was here. This is what happened during the SNL. At 31%, it was probably a 40% crash. But this is what happened. They dumped on you. They want you to believe. They want you to buy the news. But you buy the rumor. You buy the anticipation. And the market prices anticipation. And like some events are already priced. If the Coinbase listing was priced really good for Shiba Inu, and you know what happened one day later, 15th of June, they're telling us we're getting a Coinbase listing, right? That's what it said. We're getting a Coinbase listing. But look what actually happened here. If you go on we had like a 30% increase, right? Then let this load real quick. So it was on the 15th of June, should be here. They said we're getting the listing, right? With a massive up, probably 30%, more, maybe more. So we have the 30% uptick. And then on the 16th of June, we said, oh, maybe we're not doing this right now. And then we dip. That's what happened. Then Elon Musk's tweets about his dog Loki, we got a trend up. And then we have the shibaswap, you know, being really hyped up. But this is already priced. So people are selling right here. During the AMA, people were selling. The AMA was exactly here. It started here. Look at when it started. As soon as it started, we started dipping. You know why? Because whales are selling on you. And this is not good. I'm not okay with that. I want you guys to be as profitable as possible. Let me check all the chat comments. First, again, thank you, Michael. I've never had a donation on the YouTube channel. We'll get it back next time. Yep, Blockchain Jane, PTI don't quarrel with fools. I said nothing to you and you attacked me. Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him, Mike. Until SHIB gets listed, SHIB is okay. You could watch a bunch of interviews and learn how wrong you are. Why are you on crypto page if you are so into paying taxes? Yep, that's good. Dude, you're the man. Thank you. Much more to McAfee story. I think the stream is can you hear me? I think I'm having some issues. Am I getting DDoSed? Can you hear me? Please let me know in the chat if you can hear me. attacking me completely unnecessary. You deserve it. It's not much. You're very welcome. Thank you. It means a lot. What? Someone donated again. It's text. Where is your donation button? I haven't. What? Anika, no way. Thank you. Thank you. They're called stickers. I never even, you know, customized the button. I didn't know. Yes, I can hear it. Thanks so much, guys. I can't believe this. Thank you. Really helps out. Really helps out. Let me see how the community account is doing. I think we're down a little bit on the day. We're up on the day. We're down from the peak. Started at 6.2 grand for the day. You probably remember from last stream. 6.4 grand just for the sake of, you know, documenting it. So maybe someone will ask, why do you have more or less tomorrow? I'm fully transparent with this community account. These are the positions that I have. I don't think fundamentally they're right, just technically. It's very short term. Yes, not speaking to you, you are audible. It's a competition. It is now. See what happens when you're right. Congrats, bro. Be back. Look, guys, I don't want to be right. I want the market just to go up. But the issue is whales want us to buy here and sell here. Did someone just donate? What? What happened? What happened? What happened? A 20 bucks donation? No way. Guys, what are you doing? Thank you so much. No way. That's insane. Thank you. I'm really grateful. Tipping karma. Damn right I did. And let me know if... okay, I promise. I forgot to talk about Ghost because I promised you guys. Let's talk about Ghost a little bit. We'll check just the... I don't know fundamentally. I haven't studied it fundamentally. We can just check the chart. Let's see if we have it on trading view. Ghost. No, we don't. So we can just check it on Hotbit. And because I promised and I forgot. But this is against Ethereum. It's at a major dip. Can anyone tell me why it's at a major... Oh, it's just because of dip that we're just having right now. I don't think Ghost is a bad coin, by the way. So far. Like it had it's at a dip, it's at a discount right now. It was 3 times higher. So in terms of Ghost, I think it's a good token. But I have to do more research if I actually want to invest in it, right? I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Hold your ground. Ready for shibaswap. Yup, we gotta be ready. You're helping me so much. Thank you, Michael. You're helping me as well. Okay, when you're a realist, rather. Nice. You're a blessing. Thank you. Oh, Tashko. As long as you're honest, you do fine on here. Thank you, George. Yes, well said. Big blessing. Hi, Niki. Hey, Bharat. Am I pronouncing your name right? I'm sorry if I'm not. Bharat Kumar, right? 72 watchers. Yeah, I'm sharing 75. Guys, we might break the record of 179 if we continue. Thank you so much, buddy. You were right. I'm gonna add 2 moderators right now. And I'll probably add some of you as moderators as well. Down the line, if you get more people. EMG, hello. I need Eder. McAfee abandoned the project. Oh, I think he was, yeah. So it's not that good. He supposedly gave spyware laptops to politicians and put the 31 terabytes of evidence on blockchain. Yeah, I remember. I didn't dig in too much into it, but I remember he wasn't worried about paying taxes because he thought that they would never get to him because he has so much information against them. Also, has a coin called Epstein. Yeah. Watching from Philippines. Hello. Ellen, will Shiba continue to decrease or will it stabilize? I don't know right now. Okay, let's talk about Shiba. And by the way, if you have any questions around Shiba, I'll talk about it. Hello, brother, I'm Indian. Hello, Kunal. Hey guys, blessings. Can you teach me something in Hindi? Because I'm Bulgarian. I'm from Europe. Sell or buy? What I want to do now, sir. Okay, so we have some. It's not a good spot to neither buy or sell right now. Like if you want to buy something short term, let me give you some opinions. No financial advice. There's nothing with what? Why doesn't Shiba appear here? Shiba isn't a bad token to buy right now, to be honest. Why doesn't it show up here on my screener? For some reason, it doesn't show up. We have some support at this area. This is definitely something to keep into consideration. The same way we have support here. If you want to rebuy here, that's fine. I think we'll have a bigger dip, and not because of Shiba. Shiba is all right. I think this is an okay correction for Shiba, but I think BTC is going to drop. I made a whole video on it. You can check it after this one. But just some thoughts on why I think that's so. If we actually go here, let me show you. Again, thank you for the donation. It means so much. Like I never got a donation in YouTube. I didn't even bother to customize the buttons. 89 people, by the way, 17 likes. Guys, can we get 30 likes? 85 watchers. Yep, we're going up. Say Shiba will crash. I said Shiba will crash, Agustin, 3 or 4 hours ago. That was a good time to sell. I'm not sure it's wise to sell right now. If you're already holding Shiba, maybe it's not a good time to sell. But if you manage to sell here, or I also had a few warnings here 20 hours ago, you could have sold like at the 15-20% higher price, and obviously now you can rebuy. You know what I think? He's alive. John is alive. You do? Should SHIB be sold now? I don't think you should sell it if you already own some. 92 people, by the way. Thank you, guys. 2 more likes. Let's go. 3 more likes. We're at 20. Thank you, guys. I haven't sold any SHIB, just buying dips. But the AMA, honestly, did sketch me out. Yeah, it's not good. What about SafeMoon? It has any future? Yup. I would buy it at a dip. Arvind. Miyobi is still strong. I think so. What do you guys think about Miyobi? Let me know in the chat. Talk ship. What crash? Okay, God dress. So let me explain everything because we're getting a lot of new viewers. So pretty much we called it the crash 3 times. Warned you guys. So warned you guys 23 hours ago at the top for BTC. I said right here.
Idea to do that.
I said it's a good idea to sell right here, and it was here. Then it was like I'll make another stream in 2 hours when it crashed, or in an hour. It crashed. Sure enough. I started streaming and said, guys, I told you so. And we started crashing on BTC, and I said, here it is. It's crashing. And I managed to pull up a few shorts and, mitigate some losses on the holding positions that I have in another account from the day trading account. And then what did we have? Shiba Inu, here's the take profit. Yeah, and then I warned you guys again with the AMA that people are taking profits here. 102 viewers, by the way, 3 digits. That's insane. And then I made this video that I was absolutely sure. I said, look at this. This was 3 hours ago. Shiba Inu Coin news today, crash coming today. And we were 10% higher than we are now. I said, we're going to crash for sure. 29 likes. This means when I asked you to like the video, we got 12 likes. Thanks so much, guys. Let's check the comments again. Because we've got a bunch. You know what I think? Shouldn't he be sold? Haven't sold. What about safemoon? Talk ship. Litecoin opinion. Okay, Michael, I don't really have a big opinion on Litecoin. I think it's kind of boring. Like, to be honest, Litecoin was always the boring coin. For example, in 2013, you had just BTC and Litecoin. Like, you didn't have Ethereum. It was after that you had Crypti. And with Crypti, we got meme coins, like DOGECOIN in 2013 or something on Crypti. Crypti was a scam, by the way. I lost a lot of money. I have money there. It was pretty much the exchange where you would buy altcoins. And Litecoin was always a big, like the slow brother. BTC. I think you would be buying it at a good rate right now because it has a really good support right now. I can even draw a small line right here because we have resistance, some support at around this area. If we can hold it, that will definitely be beneficial. Maybe I would trade the Litecoin, but I don't know if I will trade it long term. If I am to put a long position right here, right now, and I don't wait for a dip, I would do something like this. Something like this, probably, with 1 to 2.2 ratio or something around there. But it's not a very high conviction play in my opinion, or it's not something that I would understand to play. Let me check how is the spot trading account, the community spot trading account. By the way, again, this is a community account to show you all the trades I do here. This is just for day trading, no hodling. It's just an account that, you know, I want to give you free signals, basically free everything that I can't. Litecoin, what are you telling people to sell? Just hold the damn token. What are you telling? I told people to sell 20% ago or something, so you could take profits and buy again now at 20% more Shiba, for example. I did too. It didn't really crash. Well, if you didn't really crash, let's see if it didn't. So let's go to Shiba again. You're saying it didn't really crash. But at the same time, if you sold the right around here, you know, not from the top, and just bought back in right here, that's an 11% difference. Do you know 11%? This is what index funds pay you in 2 months, in 2 years, and basically you can buy 11% more Shiba. So when it goes up, you know, twice, for example, you have 11% more Shiba to earn money with, which would be good, which would be big. I have some Binance news, but nothing interesting. I just got a tweet. Hey, Sam. By the way, I'm trying to catch up with the chat. Okay, we'll crash. My granny dips further. Okay, 100 viewers. Yep. What would be the best buy price? It's hard to say right now. I would wait. Like, if you're asking about the best buy price, I would wait for a massive dip. Okay, let me tell you what whales do, in my opinion. This is how I see it, no financial advice. So, you can see major support and resistance areas. Whales are waiting for this area and this area to take profits because this is historically correct. We talked about break-out patterns in the last streams. Basically, when this happens, this is a resistance that also becomes support. But right now, it's a profit target level. Whales, you can see them buying here, 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 here. These reversal are where whales buys. So if you want to buy where big money buys, you would buy at the 600 area. This is the best place to buy. So if you have a massive crash with BTC and we go back to the 600 area, this will be a bit. If you're asking about the best price to buy, this is where I would go all in Shiba, for example. Like, this is a really good price to buy, where even if you don't hold for here, you make like 30% just on the reversal. Should I sell Bitcoin? I bought a 29k dip. Maybe. It's your choice. I think it was better. Right now we have some support. I think it was better to sell it. Like, I want to be realistic and talk to you like in the most honest way possible. If you sold when I told you yesterday, there was a better price, right? You would save like 5, 6, 7% or something. Right now, I'm not 100% sure if I would sell my BTC right now, because the idea is to buy it back at a lower rate. I'm not sure if we'll crash even further from now. I think we can go to 30k, but it also depends on your strategy right now. I sold my ship. Why did you sell it? What rate did you sell it at, Evis? Sri Lanka. Oh, that's nice. I'm from Europe, nature's glory. Over 10% decline can... where is it? Over 10% decline can be called crash. I don't think so. The crypto market crash is near term, can crash in 2031. Yes, it is a small crash though. You can say it's not a crash. Thank you, Sashko. Thanks, Sashko, for the donation. This is the first time I don't even have a donate like I didn't customize the donate. I didn't even know I could take donations. I didn't change anything. I just got $31 from you guys. Thanks so much. I'm still 10 over 10. I'm still holding Shiba. I think that's a good idea, Nature's Glory, because we already dipped. If you could sell at the top, that was going to be a little bit better, right? I found you through a YouTube suggestion. Don't have SHIB, but I want to buy some now. Just can't understand more. Am I very new to this, Michael? So basically, if you're new to Shiba, we're waiting for a few things. We're waiting for shibaswap. We are waiting for what else are we waiting for? shibaswap, Coinbase listing. eToro potential listing, 114 viewers by the way. Coinbase listing, potentially even a Robinhood listing, because on change.org there's a petition, has 165k signatures. Let's see how many we have right now. 167k. So this is something that we're waiting for as well. But the main thing is the Coinbase listing. But people might dump on you there. So you want to go on Twitter. If you have any Shiba Inu, you want to go on Twitter. Click on search, type in Coinbase Pro, and follow them. So as soon as they tweet about Shiba Inu, you know about it. Because we had the big dips and pumps right here when they said they will. Here it is. And Shiba Inu are launching on the 15th of June. So you get a notification when it happens, which is really, really important. SHIB is mostly diamond hand holders. Yup. Thanks for warning. I sold a bunch of Shiba Inu. I bought Miobi on dip. That's really good. That's really good. Mike, I agree. SHIB is diamond hands. And the interesting thing is a lot of people that I've talked with through the chat and I've seen on the Shiba Army Reddit actually are averaging down from the highs. They bought at the highs and they're buying in from the 600 area as well. And what I've found is their average is around 800, 900. So they're pretty much even or down a little bit right now. So they wouldn't be selling right now. So I think we'll have a higher high. But also you got to keep in mind that the whales are not buying here. They're more likely to buy the 600-700 area. Really, everyone here truly feels SHIB is going to outperform Doge. Yeah, how do you feel? Will SHIB outperform Doge? Don't know if I should rebuy SHIB now or keep waiting. I think it might drop more. If I think it will drop. Like if you want a good trade, you can buy it now. But if you want a great trade, you would wait for a BTC dip. It's not. It won't dip because of SHIB. It will dip more because of BTC. Thanks for the warning. I sold a bunch of Shiba Inu. Don't know if I should rebuy. Just looking out for you. I know what you meant. Thank you, Mike. You're always right as per what I've seen till now. Bharat, yes, I am right, but you see me wrong a lot of times as well. Please stick with me even then. Like statistically, I'm right more than I'm wrong, but I can be wrong as well. But so far, I'm just on a streak, right? Every time we call the tops, like. The Dr. Niki army called the tops every single time so far. Shiba will never crash. It's going to the moon. Yep, it's going to the moon. Best price would be 7.3. I agree, Javin. Should I sell? I don't have any profits in Shiba. I don't think you should sell now if you didn't manage to sell the top. The price of SHIB is going down to 845. I think we already went down to 845. It's a day 3 sinks. It has a small rebound. This is not a very good, like we had a good 3 candles or 2 candles, but this candle isn't great, and it's because of Bitcoin, not because Shiba Inu is broken. Binance doesn't provide services to Texas for the low fees. What other places are good to buy? Try Gate.io, Anika, or Coinbase are not great. If you don't day trade, they're okay though. I'm also using Kraken because I'm in Europe. Kraken, Bitstamp. Did you try those? From there is going to start a merge. Text crash is setting up for boom. Yay, more love. In Hindi, nice. I'm from Sri Lanka. We will see BTC crash to 20k. It's very important that we don't see it. There are odds that we see it, but I really hope we don't. On the 8-hour chart, you can see the only reason we would get a 20k price is if we dip because of a head and shoulders pattern, which would be really bad. I really hope it doesn't happen. Because yeah, 20k is a support level, but it will be healthy, but not that much because a lot of people just lose money, and we don't want retail traders to lose money. We want as little retail traders to lose money as much institutions to lose money. Because this is the idea of crypto, right? Crashing. How? Stop with the BS FUD. Time trend. I hope you listened to me. Yesterday you could have sold it at the top. Trend line. I bought. Hey, SHIB is not going less of 835. We're not sure yet. It can go down just because of BTC. I brought 500 pounds at 499. 100 million Shiba, holding until Shiba swap at least. That's really good, Jubei. SHIB doesn't need to outperform Doge at current price. If you spend $500 today, this is what you get. Yup, I agree. No brainer. Yeah. I don't think it will outperform Doge in terms of price. Maybe in terms of market cap, why not? At one point. Crypto is where... yes, I'm averaging down as well. No selling, spot on where my average will be. Oh, really? Good. Let me try. Spot on where my average will be. Crypto is where I got all mine. Shiba won't outperform Doge. Hold both. I would guess... Mike, are you asking me to guess your average? I would guess it's below 1,000. It's below the average price you bought at is probably below here. It's below 1,000. You didn't buy at the peaks, or at least you didn't buy the majority of your Shiba in the peaks. Haven't sold, hold. Yep, I agree. If you haven't sold, hold. The time to sell was before. Can you check Miyobu? Okay, it looks like Shiba Inu in February. Miyobu, let me see if we have it on. We don't. Okay, so let's check it on CoinMarketCap. If we don't have it there, we'll go on PuCoin, Miyobu. One sec. Let me show you right now. Miyobu, okay, you can only buy it on Uniswap. The fees are high there. Hopefully they listed on other exchanges. The price right now is not that bad. We won't have it on TradingView, but let's just try. I don't want a daily chart. Okay, it doesn't work. So Miyobu is... it didn't have any price discovery, let's be honest. I think Miyobu is a good buy, at least from the CoinMarketCap price. Let me just check what is the spotlight, the most viewed cryptocurrencies. Why don't they have it here? I gotta tap it like this. Most viewed pages. Shiba Inu is number 2. We gotta go get number 1 again. Here you guys go start seeing SHIB emerge from the 8th break. Okay, let me try. There's a lot of chat matches. Let me try to keep up with everything. Crypto is where I got all mine. Oh, crypto.com. Yeah, Mike. Can you check Miyobi? I did. Shiba is a scam. I sold my Shiba coins. Why do you think so, Matty? Let's have a discussion. Hey, you guys, go start seeing SHIB emerge from here. 835 to break again. I hope it goes up. I'll try Kraken again. I had some connection issues at the time, couldn't set up an account. The account Kraken's fees are pretty much 2 times higher. If you have 10, like a lot of revenue, it's like 10 mil, you have 0.1% fees. Bybit is also not bad. By the way, if you're doing the leverage, it's actually pretty cheap. It's the cheapest exchange in leverage, I think. And I'm also sponsored by them. So they're giving you a bonus. If you deposit $100, they'll give you $25 for free. If you use my link in the description. But that's for leverage trading. I wouldn't leverage trade a lot, to be honest, right now. Maybe at a massive dip, when we hit 30k BTC, maybe that's a good time to leverage trade. What else? You make panicking for nothing. Well, Doge Boy, if you sold, unless you basically said FUD on my channel before the crashes. When I made this video, 10% before, you said the only thing crashing is your channel, but look what's happening, you know? Shiba is crashing. And I was right. Be ready, guys. Be ready, guys. Shiba will be 1 before end of the year. Then why are you here, mate? Clown. Crashing how? I don't know. What do you mean? What do you mean I'm a clown? I can be a clown. I'm a YouTuber. What do you mean? Of course I'm a clown. Let it drop. The devs have that attitude. Shake out the paper hands and let the diamond hands buy more. Yep, buying more at the dip is the best thing we can do. What you think about ADA? Can we invest in ADA for a long period? Yep, Ravi, I don't even have to check the price. ADA is always a good investment. ADA and Matic is something that I think you should have in your portfolio. Bro, no financial advice. Bro, were you at all short positions closed and long positions open? Naked. Forex Academy. So I had a few shorts and opens for ADA right here. Let me show you. Someone might say, well, you're lying, right? And this is a community account, 6.4K. I'm showing you all my trades. So I can't lie here. I'm just gonna click on margin and I'll show you the trades, the short positions I took. All of them are losses. Pretty much had no loss in the last few days. This is not correct, by the way. Oh, that's a, yeah, it's, I don't know what that is, 4%. I'm up on the account. Okay, so I just want to show you my where is it, transaction history. I'm used to trading margin from my, oh, it's the isolated. I didn't even use that. Never used that. It's the isolated. Okay, so here, let me show you all my trades, margin history on isolated. So you see what I've shorted. But why can't I see anything? I'm used to doing it from my phone. I want to show you, we managed to short ADA and BTC at the top, but you wouldn't believe me that I managed to do it on the stream. Yeah, yesterday, you remember this stream 20 hours ago? I said I told you everything will drop, and then I made this stream. I said now it's dropping, and I'm adding in my short. I said that right here. And while you're watching,
I just had to start the stream on right now.
Yeah.
On the shorts and I wore every single one.
Yeah, I actually opened them before that, I guess. But I made money on ADA. I just borrow request. Where is it? Margin history. Isolated insurance fund positions. I'm a little bit nervous because we have a lot of people as well. Transaction history. Hopefully it's here. Oh, there's deposit on this account. More data. Margin data. No, it's not here. Yeah, I don't know. But we managed to short ADA, and I basically can show you my alerts. I pretty much had an alert, or I can show you from my phone. One sec, I'll show you from my phone. So I had this trade there, and I managed to basically take ADA from the top to the bottom. I managed to get it from the top to the bottom. ADA, not transfers. Come on, trade, margin. Oh, I know how. I remembered on the computer. You go on trade classic, and then we'll go to transactions. I just want to show you other trades because you wouldn't believe that I got it so precisely. We got every top like perfectly. It was an isolated margin trade. It was on order history, trade history. So we managed to short ADA. Luna was a really good sale, by the way. BTT doc. ADA was, as you can see, I've placed like tens of trades. 1 week. Let's do 1 week. ADA. Where is ADA? MDX. It should be a little bit here. Please don't quit the stream. I just want to show you this because it's really interesting. We managed to catch some really good shorts yesterday. 29th BTT, 1 MDX, 1 BNB Byte, 27th. Why can I find it? ADA. What's going on? Come on. Let me see the chat in the meantime because I forgot to read. We have so much information. I told you 838 going break. Be ready, guys. Okay, good. Stop medication and close your life. Okay, Doge, nobody meant for Medi. No one was meant for Medi. Oh, okay, time. Doge, we don't need you here. Like, I can just ban you, and we don't need you. You can go to another stream, and that will just hype you up. That will just say you that would give you news from 7 days ago, just to have a really good title that you click on, get views, hype you up, so that the whales can sell on you. I'll give you a last chance. I don't want to ban you from the stream, because I think you have some value. If you can still be at the stream, I think it's going to be good for you. But if you can continue, I'll have to ban you. I managed to short BTC and ADA pretty much from the top. I think ADA is long-term a buy, though. I won't ban you, Dogeboy. I'll give you a last chance, because I think it will be beneficial for you to stay on the stream. Everyone deserves a chance, but like, please be open to opinions, right? I have listened to your opinion. You can no time for negativity. No problem, Dogeboy. It's good that you said sorry. We shouldn't be negative. Look, this time I was right. Next time I might be wrong. We gotta be open to the facts, and we want to trade the market for what it is, right? I'm just if you're wondering short term what I have right now, again, I'm up to $200 or so for the day on the account, on the public account, and right now we have Reef and RSR. I'm not sure if I would buy them right now, but I bought them like 2 hours ago or something during the dip, the first dip. I didn't buy them on any fundamental analysis. This is a very short-term play. Probably gonna close it before I go to sleep tonight. Buy Doge Boy, go away. Don't be hateful towards him. Give him a chance. Thank you, bro. I'm going for ADA. That graph looks like a doodle. It does. Please read past comments. You missed few. Okay, Zywox, I'll check all of them. I'm sorry. I'll check them right now. Dex2 shows Miyobu better. There's a conspiracy that Shiba Inu team up will be good for Miyobu. Yes, it will. Of course, it will. Really good. I'll check Dex2's right now for Miyobu. I'm sorry that I missed your comment. I'm sorry if I missed something. I'm trying to keep up. I'm new to streaming as well. Learning as I go. Can you hear me? I think I have internet connections again. Issues. Let me just check Miyobu again here. I just want to see the volume. Is it actually at 87 grand? Because it's down 54% on the day. Miyobu. The ticker should be this, right? Am I checking the correct one? Yep, it seems like it. The volume here might be a little bit more. 92 grand against 90 grand. No, it's pretty much, yeah, it's correct. Okay, let's can you hear me? It says that YouTube has, okay, it says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. I hope you can hear me properly. But yeah, I'll continue, and yeah, let me know in the chat again. Thank you, Anika. Time to see the big pump, the big braid, 80% going up. Okay, and let me just check Miyobu for Zywox, because he promised. On the 5-minute chart, it's it can go down a little bit, but it's a buy, right? It's a buy here, definitely. It has support at the 300 area. I will buy it right here. It all depends on how much are you paying for fees on Uniswap to actually acquire it. You sound fine. El Paso, Texas. Great. I agree. Trading and investing, there should be no emotion, just money, facts, and trades. This is what we're trying to do. I'm trying to see the information for what it is. We have warnings from JP Morgan. We have definite tops. Like, this is what I saw last stream. That's why I knew we're having some kind of a peak. The first warning I gave was here. And I told you, this is where you take profit. I basically said it yesterday, 23 hours ago. I said, this is where you take profit. And what I saw was the lines you had on BTC. Let me just show you here. It was right at this time before this. It was here. It was here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks with the same height, which is not good. And then the first red candlestick is where I knew it was a crash. And I started the stream here, the second stream here, and then we just dipped, right? And as soon as we actually had during the Asia session, we pretty much dipped. I took a while, but yeah, during the thing about Shiba is we dipped because of the AMA. People bought the rumor, sold the news. Hi, El Paso, Texas. The Woodland, Texas here. Oh, that's great. El Paso, Texas it's a greeting for Texas, right? I've never been to the United States. I should visit. Can you tell me the new coins that are coming out there should be invested? Look, I don't know if it's always a good thing to invest in too early coins if you're starting out, but you can go to coinmarket.com/new/. You can see the new tokens on CoinMarketCap. These are pretty much a little bit vetted tokens, not always, but a little bit, at least a little bit. So you can get a little bit sooner, earlier on some tokens. MCAT AD, like these were around a long time ago, but I think it's good to, I mean, Baby Doge, for example, as soon as it went here, it went up. Everrise as well. So you can find, if you research, there's like 10-ish that come out every day. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yesterday. You gotta just do your research on like 7 to 10 coins a day, and you can find gems. Uniswap fee was $6. Fee is $6. Yeah, that's not bad, especially if you're buying over $100 worth. So, me always something that I'll check. Maybe I'll put in some money in after the stream, but I'm waiting for a dip for other tokens. So, not 100% sure. Doge was great investment 4 years ago. Yeah, and George, you I don't know, were you around for the Doge bump? I got scammed by Cryptsy, but I was buying Doge in 2013, 33x in a weekend. That's what I remember. Will SHIB hit 10 cents? Only if they burn SHIB, but that's the reality. Hello, Anika. Welcome to What's Coming. How do you get so many likes, Dr. Niki? I only average 12 to 15 likes a video. Any tips? Sam, I think you should work. Look, Sam, I want to be honest with you. I saw that you're basically copying my thumbnails. This is just some YouTube tips for you guys starting on YouTube. Sam, I noticed you basically take the videos that have the best performing ones, the social media ones, and use the same thumbnails. Like this is the same thumbnail I'm using, right? If you go here, change Spotify password, and you go on my channel, this was uploaded 5 days ago, and mine was uploaded probably months ago. I think you should learn a little bit of Photoshop, and I'll tell you some tips right now. Discord, right, or Spotify. You can see that it's basically how I do the thumbnails. It's basically the same thumbnail. For example, the font one that just show you is change the font. That was 3 months ago, 36k views. And you have the same one, the elite account. That's mine. I think this is too much. This is my thumbnail as well. I think you should change it a little bit. This is too much. Too many things on the screen. What I would do is choose a font. Personally, a font that you can use on any video, but we're losing viewers when I'm talking about YouTube. But just use another font. Like try to develop a style into your. Hey, King Solomon, by the way, gracias. I'll talk about with Mike. Mike will reply. Sorry, I meant I'll reply Mike in a second. Just let me give. Even though we were losing viewers, I want to help Sam. So. Try to develop a style, try to develop a font, a thumbnail style where people recognize you. And to get more likes, you need more views. Like some of your videos are doing great. And if you develop a community, you get a lot of likes. So develop a style. That's what I would say. You can even do thumbnails really quickly on Canva. Try to make them more simply. I have a few friends in the how-to niche as well. They mess around with normal stocks. Not right now. I used to a little bit. What are you invested in? I had 3 picks like trifecta horse race yesterday. Unfortunately, I had money locked up in longs, but I'd be interested in feedback. Do you think, like me, I have Precise buy sells too. I just don't sell shib yet. Maybe once I triple up, not financialized, but I caught a search on Gray, Kumu, Alus, and some others. Very short terms and half day, but easy money. But by the way, that's a really good advice, Mike. I think, and I will look into stocks more seriously soon, because right now crypto is really hot. Not because of my channel, because, you know, volume wise, and the fees aren't high to day trade. And I really like going in and out of trades a lot. And Robinhood, you know, is great for that. But are you using Robinhood or Weibo? But we don't have such a good exchange in Europe. If you hear about something, let me know. I can even try to grow an account on the stream, like deposit 1,000 or 2,000 or 5 grand on it, like the community account here. Let me check how it's doing. Probably going down again. Yeah, we're actually up. We're still up like 300 bucks for the day. We were up 500 at the top for the day. 99.9% needs to burn for Shiba hit 10 cents. Very good answer, by the way, Juan. Guys, I really want to go to the toilet now. I think we'll wrap this up. Maybe we'll put on another video later if we have some development. Thanks so much. It was a pleasure to be with you. Tonight was really interesting. A lot of interesting things happened. I had my first donations. Thank you guys. I won't forget it. Thank you so much. And I really want to see it tomorrow. FinVid's oversold section is very good for finding. Oh, that's very good. I know that there's thank you, Anika. I forgot to thank anyone. Mike, like everyone that joined from the start. Over that, Alexander, Michael. It's overwhelming to see so much support. 50 likes on the stream. I think we went on for quite a while this time, an hour and 6 minutes. That's okay. Trying to do around 1 hour streams every day. I can see you guys tomorrow though. A great round, need a huge burn. Was a lot of fun. Yeah, it was. I'm glad you liked the stream, guys and girls. It was a pleasure. And if I see something very interesting for Shiba Inu, I'll make a video on it later on during the day. It's night. It's 5:30 p.m. here. Yeah, I just don't want to stop the stream, but I gotta go to the toilet. Hey, thanks for the amazing time. I'm subscribing. I like your content. Thanks a lot, George. If you're here first, please subscribe, because I want to see you again. I don't want to rely on the YouTube algorithm to show the stream to you. I just want to see you again in our stream. It was really fun for me. Hi, brother. By investment numeric.